Welcome in this short video, and today I'd like to show you some very useful informations and website that you can use by yourself. In this page we can see International Chess Federation, FIDE, and this organization is responsible mainly with tournaments around the world with official tournaments and official rating. After that we have national federations, and the national federations are part from FIDE for International Chess Federation, and a smaller part of national parts are the chess clubs. The chess clubs are smaller parts, and you can register there if you like, or you can meet your local chess club. And you can search here. You can, for example, you can click on FIDE to read something about this. After that you can go to directory to see, for example, the president, and here you can see a picture with me and other players and the president there to play football in Chalkidiki, Greece. And another interesting about this page is you can go here on ratings, and here you can see the first male, the first person in the world who has the biggest rating. This is Magnus Carlsen. Then you can see the best female player, the youngest players, and if you scroll down you can search here something you can search a name or an ID or something. You can see the best players in the world, their ratings, etc. And another interesting tab is here the calendar, because if you go there and you can find a lot of things here that with the tournaments that will happen around the world. You can see what happened previously or what will happen in the future. Now let's go to our Greek National Federation, and of course every country has his own federation, and you can search for your own. And here you can see different things. In one button you can see the clubs. You can find the different clubs. Then you can search the national elo, because the national elo is little different from international elo points, and you can search players there and the clubs. For example, in Greece, if I click this button, you can understand everything, but there is no point of that. I'd like to show you that here, if you click the clubs, and then if you click some smaller area, you can see some telephone numbers, some addresses, and in this way you can find your local club next to your home, and you can go and visit them. I hope this was useful to you, and I hope you to find your best club and find useful information there. All the best.